All right, here we go, Mike. I'm out here. I'm right here. I gotta cut a tree to get in the Volvo. Well, I could get in the passenger side, but this still needs to get out of my way, kind of. That's ridiculous. We'll just get it down here. Hopefully we don't go through the car or my leg. That was close. That was close. I was close to my leg at the end there. Didn't need that. Don't need. Come over this branch. Huge branch. Go this way. No one will know. Get out of my way. Alright, I was supposed to wear the hearing protection, but I forgot. It wasn't that loud. And we'll just leave the rest of it. I think I can get in the car from now. Well, this part's leaning on it. Am I gonna get carried away? Is this back door open? Get off my Volvo. Yeah, get off my Volvo. Off my Volvo. That's pretty decent. Could do more, but I don't really need to. Or do I? Just as long as you don't cut the Volvo a new sunroof. It might not matter. It might be on its way to pick and pull anyway. I think that's good. Got room to work with now. I don't know. Days be numbered for thems. Oh yeah, that's right. Did you touch me? Feels like trying to touch me. Oh, like that. These are gonna try to touch me too. Just trying to move without getting like hitting everything all the time, everywhere I go. You know, I can't even step back into here like that. It needs room, you know? Branches hit me. There's plenty of tree here still. Yeah, I don't even want to go in here though. It smells bad. Real spider web, not Halloween. It was though. Still can't really open this. Kinda can, but not really. Yeah, it still smells like rats in here. I should have my light because I want to look at the steering column a little bit. At least I'm going to do this. That's empty right there. That's crap right there. So yeah, a lot of this is crap and it can get thrown out. There's some type of shift. I think there's supposed to be a shift lock, but it might not be there. I think it's gone. Maybe that's why I can move around. He might have done something up here too to make this loose, or this might lock up. I need to get some. I need to get a light and see what type of screws are in here, if any. Maybe these are just the only thing holding it. One thing at a time. Get out of my way. There's some Phillips screws in there, and in there, there's some type of Torx in there. I mean, still hitting the wood out here. I think every inch is worth it. Every inch you can get around here is worth it. Maybe I should have cut that. The objection's already there. Okay, that's gonna work. Those nails aren't gonna work. A lot of wood here. Maybe not better. Why don't people just ever have the keys to their cars? I know it's in the house. I think he did some type of shift or knockout here. I'm not seeing anything unless it's on this side. I don't want to put it in park because I feel like it's not going to come back out of park. But at the same time, I think it might. That button doesn't do anything. I'm glad it doesn't, I guess. Goes there, goes there, goes there. Not in reverse. Alright, well it goes in and out. It can go in the park, that's good. I still don't know if this will lock up or not. They said it might. I guess we'll just take this off and see what happens. Where's my light? There's a few more screws in there. You can take that down. There's also some rat stuff there. I'm just gonna try to get these ones. Can't really show it. I think it's gonna come apart though. That's all we need. As long as it's fast and easy. Don't jinx yourself. It can be hard to get it on there. I mean, I could just break this off if I had to, just in case it could hear me. Because that one feels like it's just spinning. But who knows? Feels like it's getting looser, but it could also get broken. I got options here. I feel like that cover is going to be in the way somehow. Anyway, maybe the top. Oh, rat stuff going everywhere. Let's see if we can get in here on these. Yes. It's always very hard to do this. Stay on right now. Always difficult. The next owner can put that back. These ones don't seem to want to come out in the back. This is making my hand hurt extremely bad. I'm not done with that. Oh, that's out. There's all the rat stuff. Good thing we... Oops. I'll do that. There's more I gotta do now. Yeah, there's a lighter in there. That's good. We gotta get this part out somehow. Always something in the way. Go away, piece of shit. It wants to come back. Like, no, I'm coming back. Like, screw you, asshole. a lighter in there. Oh, that's broken, I think. Let's see. Is it gonna spin? Yeah. Sure did. If I grab on it, will it? Can I do it? Or I gotta get some type of vice grip. They both nice. Alright, Mike, I'm out here, we're back. Alright, this plastic stuff broke right here. I need to get some vice grip. And I should be able to unscrew this, maybe. Yep, there we go. Still don't know how to get this piece off exactly. Oh, that might have to do with this. Oh, okay, that's probably gonna be that. We'll get that in a second. Let's just get this other one of these off. And there we go. It was that easy. It wasn't really. That's gonna come off now, but after I get this out the way, I wonder if that's just a lever that I gotta pop off or no. I'm gonna go ahead and say I need to get an Allen wrench to get that off. And then I think I get this cover on. Okay. That one. What did I say? 2.5. 2.5. It's loose. It looks like that's what it is. I don't know if you're supposed to take it out all the way or you can leave it in some. Okay, we took it out and we put this back in there because I don't want to lose it. A rat might eat it. Is this gonna come off now? And that light, oh, there's money back there. Haha. A rolled up dollar. Uh-huh. Can't edit that out, Nick. It's supposed to be 100, I think. All right. Anger. Some type of beer and a lighter. Does it work? Heck yeah, because you put it up there and it got stuck. And it's always causing problems for years. All right, we're to the switch now. I think we are. I think it's this back thing right here. I just gotta take it off with 2 screwdrivers. Good, they didn't give me no stupid. They didn't do something stupid. They probably did. Can the people see? Screw right there, and then there's one back there. That wiring's in the way. Then I should be able to pull this out and turn it right here. And that's what's going on. That happened fast. Yep, that's the one. Oh, yeah. Dash in the way. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Oh, I gotta turn it down. Oh, I can't put it, I don't think I can turn it down anymore. We don't want to strip this one though. Alright, we're gonna have to use a different screwdriver maybe. A longer one or a very short. I don't think that'll do anything for me. I don't know where I put it. Ooh, maybe if I put it there. Oh, that's a hard angle to get in on. Alright, we got this screwdriver. We're gonna make this one work. Yeah, it's a little bit longer. So we're just gonna make it work. If it doesn't, but I think it does. Yep. You might even have to bring a longer one. If you really want to do it easy. It's a weird turning radius angle here. If it was longer, yeah, it would be perfect. Or maybe come at the side angle. Maybe you could take this dash. No, I don't think you can take this dash piece. Okay, so of course this one's just gonna take forever to screw back in. I mean, yeah, and out both ways. It's getting there. It's getting there. Yeah, if you have the key though, it makes it a lot easier. All right, there we are. That's right where I wanted to get down to. That right there turns it. That's how you start the car. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! All right, that's it. Well, next step is to put a battery on it. Let's collect all my stuff out of here. Let's also put all these somewhere. It's better than nothing. Yeah, we ain't going nowhere yet. Oh, the glasses. All right. One thing at a time here. We did it. Break time.